Going to start Python bootcamp from beginning to expert level. We'll see each and everything related Python. We'll follow the documentation of Python. So let's start. First of all, we need to install Python in our computer. Go to your Google Chrome and search Python. Here's the official Python website, python.org. Go to this website, and after that you have to go Python download option. Currently there is a Python 3.9.0, so we have to download. Currently I'm downloading, and I will show how to install in Windows operating system. It's a Windows 10 Home Edition. In next video tutorial we'll download and install in our Mac operating system. So see, here you have to uh, check this add Python 3.9 to path and customize location, keep it by default. Next, install for all users. If you have different users in your computer. Now our setup is installing for Python. Let's open a terminal. In Windows, here is CMD we have to open. First of all, let's complete this setup. Disable this path limit and close it. Now open your CMD command prompt and type here Python. Hit enter. Python version. It's not opening. Again open command prompt, type Python. Now it's coming. Okay, we type here exit. Okay, now let's type here Python hyphen version. Hit enter. As you can see, we have 3.9.1. Yeah, and then before I said it's 3.9.0. It's a current version which we installed. 3.9.1. So in this video tutorial we install this Python in our Windows machine, and we saw how to check the version and all the installation. In next video tutorial we are going to for next part